Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So your music app is playing, but as soon as Waze gives a direction, your music cuts out and doesn't resume at all, or the music pauses and just stays paused. This is a common audio conflict and it's usually fixable. So in today's small tutorial, we wanna go through how to fix Waze not playing music, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, check the audio output settings. Open Waze, go through the settings, voice and sound, make sure the play sound via option is set correctly for your setup, Bluetooth for car speakers, or phone speaker if that's what you are using. So easily going through settings, voice and sound, and as you see here there is many options including play sound to phone speaker, mute Waze during calls, and many other options that you may need later. Also make sure you adjust your music app settings. For the guidance volume, make sure it's full. And also make sure you have enabled the spoken directions to normal or only alerts depending on you. Play music at a low volume in the background. In some vehicles where sound only works if the audio is actively playing, even at a very low volume. Try playing music quietly in the background while navigating and see if Waze directions come true. If nothing basically as works, it's time now to actually try to reinstall the app. A clean install of Waze can resolve persistent audio conflicts, so when install, restart your phone and then basically reinstall the app again. That's the main idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.